With this inverter on a 3 kilowatt system, you can run a 2 kilowatt load. With this inverter on a 3 kilowatt system, you can run up to 3.5 kilowatts of load. So, if you are also thinking about what kind of load you can run from a 3 kilowatt solar system, then it mainly depends on your inverter and on what quality or technology of inverter you are using. Here we have tested the UTL company 3400 model. We have also tested the Ashapower company 3024 model. We have also tested the Deye company 3.6 kilowatt inverter. On the UTL inverter, you can run a 2 kilowatt load. On the Ashapower inverter, you can run around 2400 watts of load. On the Deye inverter, you can run up to around 3.5 kilowatts of load. For safety, it can run a 3 kilowatt load for a long time without any issue. Now let us talk about the price. The UTL inverter costs around 18,000 rupees. The Ashapower inverter costs around 40,000 rupees. The Deye inverter costs around 80,000 rupees. So your budget will decide how much load you can run on a 3 kilowatt solar system. If your budget allows only the UTL inverter, then on a 3 kilowatt system, you will be able to run only a 2 kilowatt load. If your budget allows you to purchase the Deye company inverter, then you can run the full 3 kilowatt load from a 3 kilowatt solar system. Within 3 kilowatts of load, you can easily run one inverter air conditioner along with other household loads like lights, fans and a cooler. If you want to run 2 air conditioners of 1 ton each, this inverter can handle that easily as well. And if you do not want to run air conditioner type loads, then you can run more coolers. You can run more fans or keep more lights turned on. Apart from that, appliances like a washing machine can run very easily on this inverter. But installing this inverter can increase your total cost significantly. And this is a hybrid technology inverter. This means if you do not need features like net metering, then this may not be the most beneficial option. In that case, you can also go for an off-grid system. In the off-grid category, as we mentioned earlier, there are brands like UTL and Ashapower. Here again, your choice will depend on your budget because there is a big difference in the prices of these inverters. And the overall cost of the system also depends heavily on the inverter. If you go with the UTL inverter, then with 2 batteries costing around 25,000 rupees, your setup can be ready for about 45,000 rupees. On the other hand, the Ashapower inverter alone costs around 40,000 rupees. After that, you will also have to add the cost of inverter batteries. So your setup will cost around 65,000 rupees. As we already mentioned, the Deye inverter costs around 80,000 rupees. If you add 2 batteries with it, then your cost for inverter and batteries alone can go above 1 lakh rupees. And on top of that, you will still have additional expenses for solar panels, structure, wiring and other installation work. So hopefully now you have the answer to how much load you can run from a 3 kilowatt solar system. If you still have any questions or suggestions about this, write them in the comment box below the video. If you like the video, then like it and share it. Also subscribe to our channel and do press the bell icon after subscribing so that you keep getting videos like this from time to time.